Hey, this is Coach Allie Hetheringon here at the Circus Arts Conservatory. Welcome to my hula hoop tutorial for beginners. Alright, the first trick I like to start off with is a way to kick up the hoop. I call this trick kick slip. We're going to place the hula hoop on top of our foot. You're going to flex that foot that the hula hoop is on top of, and you're going to kick your leg high up, and you're going to bring your arms through like you're diving through the hoop, just like that. And you can use your other foot to kick it back around on the ground and place it back on top of that foot. And go ahead and do that a couple times. We're just going to kick it up and catch it in our hand this time. Alright, now we're going to hula hoop on our hand. To start the hula hoop, we're going to turn our hand over and you're going to release the hula hoop. You keep your hand in an L-shaped position, and the hula hoop should stay between your index finger and your thumb. And go ahead and grab the hoop once you feel it in your palm, and try and start the hula hoop in the other direction. This means you might push it backwards. Good. Once you've got the hang of that, go ahead and stop. And we're going to push it back forwards. And this time, you're going to try and switch to your other hand. Go ahead and give yourself a high five, and then you're going to take your other hand out. Remember to have that L shape, and the hula hoop should be controlled by your thumb and your index finger, and not on your wrist. When you have it on your wrist, you go a little out of control, but you can bring it back to your thumb and your index finger. Alright, the next trick we're going to learn is called jacket. You're going to place the hula hoop on your other arm and onto your shoulder, and you're going to reach behind you like you're putting on a jacket. And we should be nice and secured in the hula hoop. I always like to do one spin in this position. The next step, you're going to take one arm out and you're going to bend the other arm, bring the hula hoop around, put that arm back through, just like you're putting on a jacket. Another way you can do this trick is you're going to take that arm out and you're going to bend, and then you're going to push with that same hand that was bent. Alright, let's try that one again. Bring it all the way around first, and now try and bring it back towards that same arm. After jacket is to bring it down to our hand. I'm going to bring it down to my right arm, and I'm going to keep that hand nice and flexed. Alright, so I'm going to spin around, take that one arm out, let the hula hoop slide down to that other hand. Once it's down to my hand, I'm going to reach it up above my head, and I can stop it. And remember, you're going to control the hoop with an L-shaped position right above your head. Alright, this time we're going to bring it in front of our body. And you're going to basically stir the pot, and you bring the hula hoop under your arm and back above. Let's do that again. Under the arm and above the head. Under and above. This time I'm going to jump into the hula hoop when it's in front of me and going under my arm, and bring it back up above my head. I'll show you that one more time. Grab, bring feet through, and above the head. The next trick we're going to learn is called ninja or weave. Before we use a hula hoop, we're going to try it with just our hand, and you're going to go ahead and draw an 8 in front of your body. Alright, go ahead and grab your hula hoop and place it on your shoulder. You're going to do that same thing. You're going to draw an 8 or an X across your body, bringing it back to the other side. Alright, go ahead and try that with your other arm. Remember, start on your shoulder if you ever get lost. This is a harder trick to learn on the opposite side of your body. Thanks for tuning in to CAC Connects. Be sure to follow us on social media, and keep calm and circus on.